भाई आज है साल का आखिरी दिन और मैंने सोचा क्यों ना पूरा दिन ब्लॉग किया जाए। वैसे मेरा कोई प्लान नहीं है, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू एनी न्यू ईयर्स पार्टी एज सच, बट यू नेवर नो, समथिंग माइट कम अप।
ब्रेकफास्ट मैंने कर लिया है। आई एम नाउ गोइंग टू गेट अ हेयर कट। आई वॉन्ट टू लुक शार्प गोइंग इन टू द न्यू ईयर्स। वैसे तो मैं हर 2 हफ्ते में हेयर कट करवाता हूँ, लेकिन इस बार थोड़ा डिले हो चुका है। इट्स बिन अबाउट 3 weeks सिंस माई लास्ट हेयर कट एंड दैट्स वाई इट्स लुकिंग अ लिटिल शैबी। सो विल गो गेट अ हेयर कट एंड ये दाढ़ी मूछ भी उड़ा देंगे। कितना टाइम लगेगा भैया? ठीक है, आता हूँ। सो बार्बर शॉप में थोड़ी भीड़ लगी हुई है। ही इज आस्क्ड मी टू कम आफ्टर 30-40 minutes. In the meantime, we'll just finish our steps. I have gotten about 6K already, and in 30-40 minutes, I can complete another 4,000 steps. Let me show you guys one of my favorite pastime hobbies. So जब भी मैं अपने steps कर रहा होता हूँ, मेरे घर के पास ये मॉल है. I just come to this mall and go directly to the supermarket. यहाँ पे लुलु supermarket है, and they have this collection of fresh महाबलेश्वर strawberries. मैं जाके एक पैकेट खरीदता हूँ एंड आई मंच ऑन इट वाइल कंप्लीटिंग माई स्टेप्स। मॉल में स्टेप्स कंप्लीट करना बहुत आसान लगता है बिकॉज द एयर क्वालिटी इज़ मच बेटर, टेम्परेचर इज़ कंट्रोल्ड एंड you know, if you're frequent to the mall, it doesn't feel awkward either. There are a lot of distractions here, especially this cereal section. अगर आप लोगों को पता नहीं, I am a big fan of chocos and just rice cereal in general. So distractions are there, but you got to stay focused. This is what I'm here for, Bobbies. The premium Mahabaleshwar strawberries. They cost 200 rupees a packet. अगर मैं ये सस्ती वाली लूँ, then they cost only 100. But because it's for munching purposes, I'm gonna go with this. Smoothie के लिए ये चलेगा, but munching के लिए this is better. Also, I just realized I'm walking around in my haircut clothes. This is what I wear when I have to go to the salon. Lulu has this really cool self-checkout kiosk. Let me show it to you. One packet of strawberry. Start. Scan the item. Strawberry premium. Finish and pay. So you take this bill, show it to the guard, and you're free to go out. Bobbies, there's a Starbucks here. Should I grab a coffee? Actually, wait. There's a Blue Tokai as well. Let me go try Blue Tokai. I think it's a little stupid combining strawberry and coffee, but you never know. Can I do an iced Americano, please? Bobbies, here's my iced Americano from Blue Tokai. The first time I'm trying Blue Tokai coffee roasters. I'm gonna be having that with some strawberries while enjoying this peaceful view.
That's not bad. I think इसको पीने के बाद हेयर कट का मन नहीं करेगा. I'll want to go directly to the gym. So yeah, earlier I was saying that I like going to the mall because I purchase a pack of strawberries, munch on it while completing my steps. जाने अनजाने में I have already done 3,000 steps from the time I left my salon to the time I purchased this and the coffee. That's how easy it is to get steps when you're occupied. So aimlessly walking can be challenging, but if you're walking with a purpose, it gets much easier to complete your steps. I have no complaints. As long as I don't puke, I'm fine.
आज रात को इस रोड पे बहुत क्रेजी ट्रैफिक लगने वाला है बिकॉज एंटायरिटी ऑफ वाइटफील्ड विल कम टू फीनिक्स मॉल टू सेलिब्रेट न्यू ईयर्स. सो व्हाट द कॉप्स हैव डन इज दैट दे हैव पुट अप दिस डेस्क ऑफ सॉर्ट्स ताकि ट्रैफिक असिस्टेंस दे सकें एंड आई थिंक दे डू अ डिसेंट जॉब एट मैनेजिंग द मॉल ट्रैफिक बिकॉज दे आर यूज्ड टू इट नाउ. दे हैव बीन डूइंग दिस फॉर द लास्ट 5-6 years. बहुत क्रेजी जाम लगता है यार. Like I can't even step out of my house during Christmas and New Year's. That's how bad this road gets. Now let's go see अगर salon खाली हुआ कि नहीं. और कितना टाइम भैया? 10 मिनट और. 10 more minutes, Bobbies. In the meantime, I'll go keep the strawberries at home. I've eaten about 3-4 pieces. The rest I'll eat throughout the day. ओ भाई, कॉफ़ी पी लिया मैंने. अभी आ रही है जोर से हगाई. इसके बाद डिसाइड करेंगे whether जिम जाना है या बाल कटाना है पहले. Bro, what a dump. Slick like baby poop. That is what coffee does to you. Now I am in no mood to go to the salon. I am going to the gym. उसके बाद देखेंगे. All right. So for the last workout of the year, I am training shoulders. Today's workout was written by my friend Shrivats. I asked him ki bro, just give me a shoulder day, and he gave me a very intense shoulder workout. He has given me 20 working sets in total. Bro, check that. That's a lot. Shrivats, if you're watching this, brother, who does 20 sets in a session? Starting with rear delts, Bobbies. Shrivats wants me to go heavy as fuck, so we're doing 55 kgs on the rear delt. Now moving on to heavy dumbbell laterals. If I can get 6 clean reps, that's a win. Ooh. I think I got 7-8 clean reps and the last 2 were a bit of a cheat. Fucking crazy, bro. Bobby's done with the workout. 20 fucking sets of shoulders. Look at the pump, it's crazy. Yeah, Nishok also came to the gym. This is what happens when you don't train hard enough during the workout. So we are now going out for lunch and we're going somewhere nearby only. Hari, say hi. Bobbies, we've come to Mannheim Craft Brewery here in Whitefield. Bobbies, here's our first course. This is a chicken tikka pizza. Let's go. What? To all the women watching this. Post-workout pizza, Bobbies. The dough quality is not good. Bobbies, now we're doing the most homosexual thing ever. Sushi shared between 4 boys. Don't do this with your boys, guys. My boys are borderline homosexual.
Do it again. The sushi is bad.
That's the worst sushi I've eaten.
The
in my
salmon
life.
cream cheese.
Bobbies, we've now gotten some chicken tikka. So after the chicken tikka, we tried a curry and tandoori roti and overall experience,
Bad as fuck.
yeah. Boys, overall experience rated on 10. 4.
Yeah, 4.
Fucking one, bro. Who's doing four?
I skipped my meal, bro.
Oh, Nishok didn't even eat the curry. That's how fucking disappointing that was. After that terrible experience at Mannheim Craft Brewery, I'm back home now and it's time to finally get the haircut. Subah se abhi tak delay kar diya, but no more of that. Let's go finish it up. Finally, I look neat. अब लग रहा हूँ ना मैं हीरो. कैसा haircut, Bobbies? I'm looking too good. Now I'm going to eat this halwa that my mom made. New Year के नाम का. Let's enjoy some of this.
गाजर का हलवा, bro. It's got to be the top 5 greatest Indian sweets of all time. Too good.
इसके साथ I have some गोंद का लड्डू. Are you guys aware of गोंद का लड्डू? This is गोंद का लड्डू. This is also top tier. This is too heavy though. You cannot possibly eat one full. आप देख रहे हो? This is one full. You cannot eat it. You have to break it into 3-4 halves. Alright, so now the scene is, it's 11 in the night and me and the boys have been invited to a house party. So I've gotten dressed, nothing fancy, just casual, and I'm leaving now. This house party location is about 20 minutes from my place. So let's go. Bobbies, this is the location where the house party is happening. And guess who is here? Chef Nags is here. What's up? She was at work till 10 p.m. tonight on 31st night.
Welcome to my life. You all say I don't work hard.
Look who's here. K to the G to the G to the K. What's up? Bro, Nishok, I kid you not, I was going to wear the same color. Good I didn't. Nishok, what are your goals for 2026?
Get drunk and smashed.
Guys, this is the youth, guys. Today's youth is like this. Shefali, what are your goals in 2026? Tell us your goals. Tell us your goals.
Hopefully make some money.
Make some money. Okay.
Buy a new car.
Buy a new car?
Yes.
Okay. Guys, I'll tell you my goals in 2026. My goals are to just do what I did in 2025, but better. Simple.
More.
Guys, look at Shefali's dinner. Hot girl dinner. Blue lace.
Girl dinner.
Yeah.
I ate halwa and came for dinner, you know.
Oh, dude. I ate halwa for breakfast today.
Which one was?
Carrot halwa.
Yes, same. Same pinch.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year, bro. Might be the last time I'm seeing you.
Why the fuck?
On New Year's.
Why?
Because once you become pilot, you'll have a busy flying schedule.
I'll take leave on New Year's.
Bobbies, we just got out of the party because we want to go grab a bite. Where are we going?
Empire.
She's a little upset because all the girls at the party are wearing a dress and she came in denims. She's upset because of that. But it's okay, bro. You came from work
Yeah.
and they didn't have work today.
Yeah.
Here we are at Empire at 1 in the night. We never eat this late, but today Shefali is hungry and I wouldn't mind a small bite either. So we are at Empire Brookfield and this is the vibes, Bobbies. Bobbies, we've always done biryani at Empire, but today we're gonna try a dessert as well. You guys know Chef, she cannot go back without eating a dessert. So we've gotten something that's by the name of Nutty Overload Sundae at Empire. Let's see what it's like. They've just launched this recently. That tastes like Corner House chocolate syrup. Doesn't it? Bro, that tastes exactly like Corner House chocolate syrup. Not just the chocolate syrup, even this chocolate ice cream feels of very high quality.
Yeah, it's maybe Amul.
Amul does not taste like this.
Amul tastes like this.
Really? So if I make a sundae out of Amul ice cream, it will taste like this?
Yes.
Can't argue with Shefali when it comes to desserts, guys. She eats dessert every day.
Every day.
Every single day.
I don't remember the last time I have gone a day without eating at least a small piece of chocolate.
We're back after dinner now, and we are so disappointed that these two didn't join us.
Nishok's fault.
Nishok's fault because this fucker's eating chips from that time.
It's the fucking cheese and herbs corners.
guys.
I didn't know anything.
You could have just come to Empire. But yeah, now Kavin and Mehak want to go for brunch tomorrow.
Yeah.
What's the plan?
Miller's, bro.
Miller's, huh? Yeah, we can never say no to Miller's. You're coming? No. You have to come.
Look at his face.
Guys,
Look at his face.
he has to come.
Guys, I'm fucking single. I don't have
Bro.
to come with.
Tell them that you'll see them tomorrow morning.
I'm seeing you tomorrow morning at Miller's.
Yes.
Yes.
Cut.
Good morning, Bobbies. We are now at Vidana Soda and we are going to Miller's for New Year's brunch. Mehak's first time, and I'm telling this is the best steak she's ever going to eat.
Bobbies, the weather today is immaculate. Proper Bangalore weather. Here we are at Miller's.
How was your lunch?
Very nice, but I'm too full now.
Too full, huh?
Yeah.
Are you too full for dessert?
No.
Bobbies, it's now time for dessert and we're going to be trying out a new place which is nearby Miller's. Miller's has a few dessert options, but I don't really like desserts. Fucker, stop honking. Fucking. Yeah, Miller's has a few dessert options, but it doesn't taste that good. Fucking such a peaceful road that fucker is honking.
Oh, fuck.
Bobbies, this is the place that we're trying. I cannot pronounce it. La Couronne.
Huron. No, I'm
Say it.
Huron.
Bobbies, this is the dessert that we opted for. A tiramisu tub. Because they didn't have many options. Right? This was probably the best looking of the lot, so we got this. And Mehak's gotten a iced latte. Oh, really? Yeah. Oh, hectic. Let's hope the tiramisu is better. No, huh?
Okay.
Okay. Let me see.
Your bites are so big.
It's just cream.
I think Shefali will like it actually. It's a little too creamy.
It's too liquidy.
One like yogurt with chocolate powder roll and special.
I don't mind it
It's
actually.
not bad, but it's like little more measured.
You like it, no, chef? Tell da.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's nice. No, I told you she'll like it.
Shefali and Mehak are leaving now. Say bye to the vlog.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Happy New Year, who'll say?
Oh, Happy New Year.